Always ask before you analyze. Before you open any of your analytics reports, I want you to put down on paper 1 to 3 questions that you want to answer from your data. You want to do this before you even look at those Google Analytics, your point of sale system reports, even your social media. Doing this will help avoid drawing the wrong conclusions, and it's going to ensure that you're making data-driven decisions, not assumptions. The fact is, we as humans have a natural tendency to look for patterns even when they're not there. So, here's a great way to start. Think of formulating a question in this way. How did X change over a certain time period in relation to a particular initiative? So, example, how did sales for a particular product or product category change Q1 2025 versus Q1 2024 in relation to price adjustments? Or maybe you made website changes. But either way, by comparing these and putting into context the adjustment or initiative, it will help you better look at this. The same would go for social media. How engaged have your customers been Q1 over Q2 with adjustments that you might have made to the patterns in what you're putting on your social media or the types of content? Either way, you want to formulate these questions. Here are a couple more things to think about. When you're thinking about organizing your questions, think about getting specific. Anchor the questions to a goal or concern. What are you trying to improve on or understand about your business, your team, or your customers right now? Make sure that there's a time variable, and then use that context to guide the scope. I know I've already done a retail tip on SMART questioning, but here's another approach for you to think about. And remember that questions are a great way to improve our understanding of data and the world around us.